Sairam children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So children, I welcome you in your English class, and in English today we will do active English. Chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Snakes. We will start the reading now. Chapter 6, Snakes. There are about 2500 different kinds of snakes. Some are only a few centimeters long, but some may reach a length of 7.5 meters. Although there are many different kinds, they are all similar in some ways. They are long and thin like worms. Although they have no legs, but they move smoothly over the ground. They have eyes, but they have no eyelids, so they cannot close their eyes. They have no ears. They have tongues which are long and forked at the end. They use their tongues to feel, smell, and taste. Although snakes have teeth, they do not chew their food. Their sharp teeth point backward in their mouth. When they catch an animal in their teeth, it cannot get and the snake cannot let it go. When they catch an animal in their teeth, it cannot get free and the snake cannot let it go. It must swallow the animal. Fortunately, they can open their jaws very wide. A small snake can swallow a frog or even a rabbit quite easily. Some snakes are poisonous. They have two special teeth which are long and which can point forward. When the snake bites an animal with these teeth, poison runs down the teeth and into the blood of the animals. The animal usually dies. Some snakes are very poisonous. They can kill big animals or even men or women. This is why snakes are dangerous and people are afraid of them. Most snakes in India are not poisonous, and even the poisonous snakes do not usually attack people. When people are bitten by snakes, it is usually accidental. The snake does not attack on purpose. Perhaps the person stepped on it without seeing it or frightened it, and the snake was trying to defend itself. One very poisonous snake is the cobra, which may be 1 or 2 meters long. The king cobra may be 3.5 meters long. It is very poisonous, but it does not usually attack people. It eats other snakes. The mother cobra lays eggs with baby cobras inside. If you find a mother cobra guarding her eggs, she may attack you. Another poisonous snake is the cat. It is much smaller than the cobra, but it is much more poisonous. It usually sleeps during the day, but if you step on one, it will bite. Pythons are very big snakes, but they are not poisonous. They twist their long bodies around an animal and squeeze it until it is dead. Then they swallow it. So children, this is the story about, or you can say a chapter about snakes. In this chapter, this chapter told us that there are about 2500 different kinds of snakes and their length. They may be few centimeters or their length may reach to 7.5 meters. Snakes are many different kinds, but they are similar in some ways. They are long, thin like worms, like earthworm are long and thin. So snakes are also long, thin like worms. They don't have legs, but they can smoothly move over the ground. They have eyes, but they don't have eyelids. They don't have ears. They have tongue, long, forked at the end. They use their tongue. They use their tongue to feel, to smell, to taste. Snakes do not chew the food, they swallow it. Their sharp teeth pointed backward in their mouth. Alright. They can catch the animal with their teeth and it cannot get free and the snake cannot let it go. Snakes swallow the animals and they can open wide their jaw. Small snakes can swallow frog or even rabbit very easily. Some are poisonous snakes. They have two special teeth which are long and pointed forward. They can bite the animal and the poison from their teeth spread into the blood of other animal and the animal usually die. Some snakes are very poisonous. They can even kill big animals or man or woman. This is why snakes are dangerous and people are afraid from them. Most of the snakes in India are not poisonous and even poisonous snakes do not attack people. So when people are bitten by snakes, it may be accidental, okay, because snake doesn't have any purpose to attack on people. Alright. Cobra is very poisonous. It may be 1 or 2 meter long or the maximum is 3.5 meter long. It is very poisonous, but it does not usually attack people. Alright. Python are very big snakes. They are not poisonous. They twist their long body around an animal, squeeze the animal until it dead and then swallow that animal. Alright, so this chapter is about snakes. Now we have the exercises. We have choose the best answer. Snakes do not have eyes, tongue, teeth, eyelids or mouth. This is the first question. So snakes does not have eyelids. Snakes does not have eyelids. Now B. Snakes can smell with their tongue, tails, tongue, teeth, eyes or mouth. Snakes can smell with the help of tongue. Snakes can swallow big animals because they have sharp teeth, wide jaw, big head, long bodies or long tongues. Snakes can swallow big animals because they have what? They have wide jaws. They have wide jaw, means their mouth, they can open very much. Their mouth open very much. They can make it wide. Alright. D. A king cobra may reach a length of, means the maximum length of king cobra is 3.5 meters. Alright. Snakes do not have eyelids. Snakes can smell with the help of tongue. Snakes can swallow big animals because they have wide jaw. A king cobra may reach a length of 3.5 meters. Now next. First one. Means you have to tick on the true statement and you have to put cross on the false statement. All snakes are the same length. The length of all the snakes are same? No. Snakes like to eat worms. Snakes like to eat worms? No. And you have to put these signs here in your book. A snake's eyes are always open. Yes, because snake does not have eyelids, right? A snake's teeth always point backward. We are on a snake's teeth always point backwards. Yes, they are backward, but the poisonous snake's teeth are forward. Alright, for putting the poison in other animal's body. A snake smell with its tongue? Yes. When a snake bites something, it cannot let go. Yes. When snake bites something, it cannot let it go. Okay, it cannot let go it. Most snakes in India are dangerous. Most snakes in India are dangerous? No. The most dangerous snake is the king cobra? Yes. Alright. Now we have another exercise. Read the example and then change these sentences in the same way. Examples are given. We have to first read the example and then we will continue. The sentence is, although it was raining, they went outside. Although it was raining, they went outside. How we have to change this sentence? It was raining, but they went outside. It was raining, but they went outside. We have to remove although. We have to remove although from the statement, and we have to use, in place of although, we have to use but. What we have to use? But. Other sentence. Although snakes have no legs, they move smoothly over the ground. Snakes, we have to remove this although. What we have to put? But. But later. Snakes have no legs, but they move smoothly over the ground. Okay. Now let's see first one. Although snakes have teeth, they do not chew their food. Although snakes have teeth, they do not chew their food. How we have to change? We have to make it snakes have teeth, but they do not chew their food. How we have to change this sentence? Snakes have teeth, but they do not chew their food. Okay? Now B. Although it was cold, they swam in the sea. How we have to convert the sentence? We have to remove although and we have to do it was cold, but they swam in the sea. It was cold, but they swam in the sea. Okay? Now, C1. Although it was hot, they wore a thick coat. Although it was hot, she wore a thick coat. How we have to change this? It was hot, but she wore a thick coat. It was hot, but she wore a thick coat. Understood? Now D1. Although it was very dark, he could see someone outside the window. Although it was very dark, he could see someone outside the window. How we have to change this sentence? We have to remove although. It was dark, it was very dark, but he could see someone outside the window. How we have to change this? It was very dark, but he could see someone outside the window. Alright, in this way we have to change these sentences. We have to remove although. We have to start the sentence and wherever there is a comma, we have to put but. Okay, children? So, here we finished with our chapter number 6, snakes. Sai Ram.